Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm doing a quick review on this new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's called the Puppy Chow Blizzard. And if you remember one of my videos earlier, one of the workers inside Dairy Queen was talking about how a customer bought the Puppy Chow Blizzard for their dog and the dog got sick. Well, this particular Puppy Chow is not for dogs. It's actually for humans. It's actually ice cream. So it has a bunch of different Chex Mix pieces in it that's chocolate covered and different stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do a quick review of the Puppy Chow Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And there you see it. You see the chunks of the different Chex Mix and different stuff that they have in here. So let's go ahead and give it a quick try and see what it tastes like. Okay. So, as you can see, you see the chunks that are in this Blizzard. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. So it's pretty good. It has a peanut butter flavor to it, and the little bits and pieces actually taste like the Chex Mix, but covered with chocolate. So it tastes like Chex Mix covered with chocolate and peanut butter. Not bad, okay, but it won't be one of my favorites. My favorite is the Heath Blizzard. We'll try it one more time. I mean, it's not bad. I'm just not a big fan of Chex Mix. So if you're not a big fan of Chex Mix, you may or may not like this Blizzard. If you're a fan of Chex Mix, peanut butter and chocolate, you probably like this Blizzard. Now, would I still recommend it? Yes, because I can't let my own issues with Chex Mix say it's bad, because it's not bad. It's pretty good. It just wouldn't be my first choice. So with that, this is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm out. Peace.